First on our tour, we'll be exploring two interesting species.
Whoa! What's that?
This stuff? That's called lichen.
There are many different species of lichen, and this particular one is called foliose lichen. It's usually found on a rock surface or on a wall-type surface like a tree. Lichen is made up of algae and fungus and forms many symbiotic relationships with its surroundings. The algae and fungi form a mutual relationship within the lichen since the fungus protects the algae from the environment and provides it with nutrients. The algae then produces its own food and the fungus absorbs some of that which is leaked out of the algae. Also, the lichen itself forms a commensalism with the tree. The tree provides a place for the lichen to grow and thrive, where it does not need any sunlight and gets moisture from the tree without harming the tree itself. Another organism that forms a symbiotic relationship is the mosquito. Mosquitoes have a parasitism relationship with other animals. They feed on the blood of its prey as well as nectar as a resource used for reproduction. An adaptation of the mosquito includes that they thrive in warmer weather and climates. Next on our tour, we will be examining plants. Plants have many functions in the development of the ecosystem. In order to produce food for themselves, plants take in carbon dioxide, water, and light through the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis releases oxygen into the air, which other species need to survive. Plants also are a source of food for other organisms. The holes in these leaves indicate an organism that is a herbivore and eats plants. As well as being a source of food for animals, plants help with flood control, soil stabilization, and climate regulation.
Dandelions are an invasive species. That's why there's so many of them. Dandelions adapt to their surroundings by closing up at night. Then in the sunlight, they open up again.
Even though they are considered weeds, dandelions have both culinary and medical uses. Their seeds can also spread up to 5 miles away through other organisms and environmental factors such as the wind. Up next on our tour are fungi and mushrooms. These organisms are decomposers and decompose organic material like these dead leaves. Due to the help of these decomposers, the nutrient nitrogen cycles through the environment. First, nitrogen is in the air, is fixed by bacteria in the soil and water. Then the plants take in the fixed nitrogen from the soil, and plants are eaten by animals or die out. Either way, decomposer bacteria breaks down the plants into nitrogen compounds, which eventually breaks down into gas and are returned into the air.
The environment gives us so much, and yet humans forget that and pollute the land without care.
As our tour comes to a close, we'll be looking at how dangerous human impacts can be on the ecosystem. Due to humans, the environment has become extremely polluted. Household garbage and industrial waste, like bottles and newspapers, endanger the species in the ecosystem. In 2010, Americans produced over 250 million tons of garbage. By reducing this number and cleaning up the environment, the ecosystem will not only become better, so will the future.